Okay, hello everyone. Thank you for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for August 24th through September 7th. For October 24th to the 28th, that's what we're forecasting here, same as yesterday. We still have this strong ridge here across the Four Corners into the Southern Plains, trough here in the northwest, and over the east. The models are pretty good agreement on this. Now, this ridge will cause a continuation of extreme heats across parts of the west and the plains, and highs are expected to be in the 100s across much of Texas, and that could be set record daily high dew points that can produce heat indices of 110 degrees. That's what it feels like when you go outside. Low temperatures will only fall into the upper 70s or low 80s, and will exacerbate the heat stress and could set record or warm minimum temperature records. And then we have to the south here, we have, across the west here, we have a monsoonal flow bringing moisture into the southwest. We have a trough that would be moving into the northwest, and that'll bring unsettled weather conditions to the northwest into the northern plains. And get this, there could even be some higher elevation snow across parts of the interior and Intermountain West. So we'll get that. And then high pressure here in the east will keep conditions cool and with low dew points and comfortable conditions. Okay, we're going to look at the period now for August 29th through September 2nd. And a zonal flow is forecast generally across Canada and the northern states. And we have a trough remains over the northwest and the northeast. You see a trough here, a little bit of a trough here across this region. So for this forecast period, I am calling for below normal temperatures here with anomalies near 2 degrees below normal, above normal temperatures here with anomalies near 10 degrees above normal, mainly across upper Mississippi Valley and Great Lakes region. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here, probability of occurrence 35%, below normal precipitation for this region, and the probability of occurrence is 35%. Now we're going to look at the period for September 3rd to the 7th. And we still have our zonal flow across the northern states. A little bit of troughing here across the northwest. Could even be a trough lingering here across the northeast, very weak. But you can see we have a broad trough covering the eastern and the southern, the central and the southern states here. So for this forecast period, calling for above normal temperatures for this region, and anomalies could be near 8 degrees above normal, mainly across this region here. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for this region, probability of occurrence is 35%. Now we're going to take a quick look at the tropics. And there's a couple of tropical waves that are moving across the region, and we'll take a look at that in this right here. Let's see if we can do that. Okay. That doesn't look right. Okay. Let's see. Okay, we'll look here. This is the infrared, and the best one that has any kind of chance of developing will be this system right here. It's still disorganized, but this is the only, we have a wave here, wave over here, and this is the only one that has any kind of strong convection. The other ones have very little convection associated with it. So we'll keep an eye on this wave. And then we have a wave that's still over Africa that will be moving out into the Atlantic over the next day or two. And we'll keep an eye on that too as we go into the next week. Okay, so that's the long-range weather forecast discussion for August 24th through September 7th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.